Oh, hey there. It's so great to see you in my kitchen today. Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm going to try 2 recipes from this book, this vintage cookbook called the Farm Journal's famous country cookbook of family favorites. Yes, this book comes from 1971. The first dish I'm going to try is called a crispy onion waffle. Let's try it. It couldn't be simpler. You basically grab a box of pancake/waffle mix and you make some batter according to directions. This one uses 2 cups of mix with 1 1/3 cups of water and 1/3 cup of oil. You just whisk that up, and then comes the final ingredient. We're using a packet of that onion soup mix. You're gonna pour that in and whisk it in. Wow, look at that. Add that batter to your waffle iron. Well, look at that beautiful waffle. Crispy onion waffle. The flavor is really good. It recommended that you serve it with creamed fish. I don't know how I feel about that. I think it would be good with some cheese and salsa on top. Yum! I'd give it a 7.1 out of 10. If it had more pizzazz on top, I'd lift that score up. Much better. My second recipe from this cookbook sounds quite good too. It's called corn pie. Corn pie? Let me show you how to make it. We need to start with some saltine crackers. I need to crush them, and I'll need about 1 1/4 cups of crushed saltines. Like so. And 1/2 cup of melted butter. Mix that together and pour all but 1/2 cup into a prepared pie dish. I'm kind of gonna just push it down into the bottom of that pan. Grab a pot, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of milk, 2 drained cans of corn. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Once you have a steady boil, you can turn it down to low and let it cook for 3 more minutes. I have 1/4 cup of milk here. To that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir it together to get a nice smooth paste. I'm going to add this in slowly, stirring constantly until nice and thick. I've taken it off the heat to cool slightly. I'm going to add a little onion powder and black pepper. It's off the heat and very thick. I need 2 beaten eggs, and I need to add slowly and stir constantly to that corn. Pour on top of those crumbs and sprinkle those remaining crumbs on top. And bake at 400 for 20 minutes. Corn pie? How exciting is this? Corn pie. Let's give it a try. It kind of tastes like a bready cream corn, and that's pretty good, but it is quite plain and simple in taste. Maybe it needs something fun like cheese on top, but I'm going to give it 5.3 out of 10. Always happy to try a new vintage recipe. Do you have any recommendations? Why did the computer catch cold? It left a window open.